I have a friend who lives in Brooklyn and was sheltering and said, I miss nature. And I reminded her that she could actually close her eyes and be right there because we are nature. So we don't have to go for a nature walk outside always, we can go within.
Hang
So
on.
my brother knew I liked yellow, so he found yellow leaves in the backyard and gave them to me.
Wow.
Okay, this is gorgeous.
I really like the flowers.
Could you just tell us a little bit about this design, because it is does everyone, are you blown away by this? Give me a thumbs up.
I guess it's kind of like the connection between like humans and nature, because this is a man-made object. It's actually a fidget that you can move around in different ways, which is man-made. And then on the other side, I have like rocks and seashells for nature.